In this video, we're going to be doing a little improvisation, both hands using open fifth hand positions on the white keys. This is an open fifth, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're using the outer fingers, not the 3 inside fingers. I can move this around from a C position to an E, G, F, wherever I want to go. Same position, same sort of shape to the hand. Now, we're going to do this in such a way where both hands have the same open fifth. So in this case, a C, 5, C fifth. But the right hand is going to be doing broken open fifths. The left hand is going to have block. I'm going to move this around. Let's move it to A, to G, to F. I can move faster, F, A, G, F. Same, F, A, G, F, D, E, F, D. Now, do I have to just hold this for a long time, the block in the left hand? I don't have to. I could pulse to F, G, back to D. Do I have to pulse that fast? I could slow it down, but keep this one the same. To F, to G, back to D, F. I'm going to go fast again. Now, this could be faster. What if this is, and this quite slow in the left hand? To F, G, A, D, F, E, D, F, G, E. Now what if I start pulsing in the left hand? I'm going to bring my E down an octave. G, A, E, G, A. I could pulse even faster. Let's say in the left hand, I move to this. Do I have to keep something regular, either fast or slower? No, I could create some sort of rhythm. Let's say it's this. And I have. D, back to A, F, back to A, F, E. Okay, so broken fifth in the right hand and a block fifth in the left hand. There's a lot of opportunity to improvise with those very simple ideas. Have at it.